Hi everyone, Chiwi here. Today I have the SoundLogic Extra Large Bluetooth Capsule speaker for you guys, or you guys can call it the cheaper looking version of the Beats Pill. The SoundLogic XT has Bluetooth 2.1 with a wireless distance of 26 to 33 feet, so you can stand pretty far and not lose any audio. Inside there's a 3.7 volt rechargeable Li-ion battery that pumps 1200 milliamps. It takes up 4 hours to charge depending on how powerful your wall charger is. You get it to 3 hours of playing time with 75% volume, and if you're really looking to blast it, you only get 2 hours. On the top there's a small mic. To the right there's a play and pause button. There's a skip forward and rewind button. All the way on the right, a blue LED light flashes when the speaker is connected to a device, and it also lights red when charging, and when it's finished charging, the light goes off. On the back we have an on and off button, a micro USB slot for charging, and an auxiliary port just in case you don't want to use wireless connection. All you gotta do is get an aux cord, hook it up to your device, hook it up to the speaker, and there you go. The audio sounds just the same. On the bottom of the device there are two soft pads that add stabilization so that the speaker doesn't roll over, and it also adds friction to the desk so the device is not slipping around a lot. The sound quality of SoundLogic XT is phenomenal. Here's an example.
Good Wednesday morning, 94.5 with the Surf Friday Morning Surf Report.
Morning, Staff Sergeant! Staff Sergeant!
We now know that meteors will land off the coast of different
They gotta be
cities.
parallel to the deck. That's the whole thing with these bars.
Come on, you guys, you're killing me.
Good luck, rookie.
A small cluster of meteors is predicted to enter our atmosphere.
Scientists are scrambling to try and understand it.
Evacuations are now underway.
About 2 or 3 meteors just impacted. Oh my god. It appears that there's something like shadowy figures. I think I'm gonna head back now. Everyone needs to get out of here right now. Lucas, if you could just come back, please. Oh my god.
When you invade a place for its resources, you wipe out the indigenous population. Right now, we are being colonized.
What the hell is that thing?
Oh my god.
Fall back! Fall back! How many of you?
5 of us, 3 kids.
We have civilians coming out!
Can't take them, we got no room.
Wait! Kids!
Overall, the SoundLogic XT is a great affordable speaker. If you guys want one for your own, check out the description below. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any questions, concerns, or any comments, you know what to do. Leave a comment below, and I'll get right back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching and enjoying this review. Until then, Chiwi Boy is out.